see, PLAEX products are so easy to build with. And they've all been designed to work wonderfully with traditional building materials. Now we're still developing the technology and we don't have our paneling yet to go with it. So today we're going to be using some ThermalWood from here in New Brunswick. They're up in Bathurst. They have a wonderful technology to be able to treat the lumber without any chemicals to create a strong, durable finish that doesn't rot. And it's so simple to go together. They have a wonderful clip system that allows you to just click it together and you're done. So much easier than most traditional methods and a perfect pairing to go with PLAEX. ThermalWood is a great solution to finish your PLAEX project.